Welcome to How to Solve.
Hi there. Let's add an HTML file into our Shopify store. Let's go. So the very first thing that you want to do is to have a recorded store already enabled in here. By the way, I don't want to focus here on all of the other features that we have for store. That will be for a separate video. Today we will be focusing just on how to add an HTML code to our Shopify. So as you can see, I have just created here my first store into the Dawn. So what I want to do next is to locate the actual edit code. Here you will see the three little dots. You just have to click on it and then you will see edit code. So let's hit into edit code and then you will see choose a file to start editing. So here, what we want to do is to focus into a page, for example. You have different sections here on the left side. We have snippets, configuration, assets, lookouts, and here we have different layouts too. So let's go ahead and add a new template. Let's say I want to add a block or a page. Once we click on that, just hit on done, and there we have it. So here's my page introduction. As you can see, we do have different options here to copy and paste my information. Now let's head over to our OpenAI or ChatGPT and let's go ahead and ask ChatGPT to give us an HTML code for an introduction page of a clothing store. So this code is going to be helping us to add an introduction of a clothing store. So whatever you want to make the code to change from one actual code from another, what you only have to do is to just go into this pod file, then I'm going to copy this code and I'm going to paste it right here. And let's see if this one is now available in my actual store. There you have it. If it's still not working, the next thing that I can suggest is for you guys to go into the very first part. We're going to be clicking on customize, or you can also go here into your actual pages. So as you can see, one showing page, I'm going to add something new and I'm going to get into add page. So here I have the introduction and we can also see the contents in here. I want to enable this show HTML. So this is the editor and I'm going to copy this code right here and I'm going to paste that in here. We'll then hit on save. There we go. So now what I want to do next is to actually go into the very first part. This one, there you go. As you can see, this one has already been visible and I can go into the navigation and I want to make sure that here into the main menu that this is added, the one that we just created before. So that will be the pages in here. And also we want to look out for the introduction. So if you don't see that, you can just look for that here into the search bar or here into the homepage as well. You can also check it into the blog post. It totally depends on you guys, but in my case, I think I'm just gonna stick around with blogs and here into news. So with that being said, I can just go back into the main menu and this is my actual HTML file pasted into my Shopify. We have reached the end of this video. That is how we add an HTML code to our Shopify.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.